Hi! The topic of how to make notification in Metatrader has become relevant again. Let's take a look at it now. I came in for a coffee and to test the robot. I've allocated 5,000, already 10% to show in 3 days. But it's not about the robot. Let's see how to make an email notification to Metatrader. It's one thing if you are sitting at the monitor trading manually, you hardly need notifications. Another thing is, for example, you have turned on a trading robot and it is earning you money. And you would like to know that if the price, for example, has reached a certain value, you would like to receive notifications to your email. If you are satisfied with push notifications to your smartphone, then watch my other video. And if you need to receive notifications to mail, then look carefully. Now I'll show you how to set it up. So let's get right down to business. Right here is the button Service. Press it, select Settings, choose the Mail tab, and here there are several fields. First, you need to check the Allow box. And now, listen carefully. I will tell you how to fill in these fields. Since you want to receive notifications to your mail, you need to find the SMTP server for your mail. Each mail has its own server. I will show you the example of Yandex.mail server. If you have other mail, you will need to find this server yourself, but the search algorithm is about the same. So, enter SMTP in Yandex and find the configuration of mail programs on your computer. Here, you need to find the setting for other programs and configure only sending via SMTP. Go to the Mail Programs section and check the imap.yandex.ru server. Here, we create a password for the application, in this case for Metatrader application, and create a password. I already have one password. I created it, but now let's create it again. Here we see here the password for SMTP. Choose the type of application. Here is the SMTP mail and create a separate password. This is done so that your password that you have for your mail cannot be used by the program for security purposes. It is possible that your mail server will not have this setting. Then you will need to use the SMTP password, the same one you use to log into your mail. So I created an SMTP password, and here I put it in the SMTP password box. Then again, go to the mail settings and copy the address of the mail server smtp.yandex.ru and paste it into the SMTP server column. In the SMTP login column, insert your email, then the column from whom is arbitrary. I write Metatrader that supposedly comes a letter from my mail. You can put in any of them, and then the column for whom you should be careful. Here, well, you write to whom the novel I write to myself. And then I write my mail where the notification will come. You can enter there several addresses separated by commas. And let's say if you have a team where some specialists monitor the trading account, they will also receive this notification. And by clicking on the test button, we can send an email to check that the settings are correct. So we go to the phone, we see that we have received a notification to the mail. Everything is fine, everything is working. Now we can press OK. And when the notification is set up in the alert will work, you will receive a notification from Metatrader to your email. And yes, don't forget the most important thing. After you have set the alert, let me show you. Here we set the alert. You need to go to its settings and in the action column, choose not sound, but choose mail, i.e. mail. Click OK, and now this system will work. As soon as the price reaches the alert, you will receive a notification to mail. If the video was useful, put a like and also see my video about notifications on your smartphone in the form of push notifications. Trade with pleasure. Bye-bye.